Sheboygan County events for Friday, September 20th, 2024. Welcome to Sheboygan Life, your go-to guide for all the exciting events happening in Sheboygan County. Today is Friday, September 20th, 2024, and we've got a full lineup of concerts, festivals, and other activities you won't want to miss. Whether you're looking for live music, family fun, or creative workshops, we've got something for everyone. Let's kick things off with some of the hottest events happening tonight. Vinyl Night with Nick Reed will be spinning tunes at the Limelight pub. It's a great chance to relax, grab a drink, and enjoy some classic records with fellow vinyl lovers. If you're in the mood for live music by the lake, head over to Blue Harbor where Jim Counter will be performing. It's the perfect spot to enjoy some great tunes with a view of the waterfront. For those interested in getting creative, there's the infused mini cheesecake pre-order pickup at Brick and Mortar Hemp Company. If you ordered your delicious infused cheesecakes, today's the day to pick them up. Over at Antonio's Sports Bar and Grill, there's the Chunky Knit Blanket Workshop if you're looking for a fun and cozy crafting activity. Newski will also be performing live at 1837 North Avenue, and it's the perfect event for indie rock fans to enjoy a great night of music. On the more active side, don't miss the One Walk, a community walk taking place at 929 Greenfield Avenue. It's a fantastic event to support a cause and get outdoors. Plus, the all-school community picnic is happening today at the same location, a fun way to mingle with friends and neighbors. If you're looking for more options, there's a bat conservation and surveying event in Chilton and the Siebken Stein Social in Elkhart Lake for those who want to join a lively Oktoberfest-style celebration. There's plenty more going on in the surrounding areas too, including the Live from the Hive Comedy Showcase in Fond du Lac and the Mammoth Hike Challenge event in Two Rivers. That's all for today's roundup. We hope you get out and enjoy everything Sheboygan has to offer. Stay tuned to Sheboygan Life for more event updates, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest happenings.